Good evening, children. Today I will explain about values of charge, mass of fundamental particles, and the main important one this is E by m values and the importance of the electrons, protons, and neutrons also. Okay. First one, write neatly this one and practice well. Practice well. Okay, Anna? Table is most important table it is. Table. This is the particle and charge values of the particle. Charge values of the particle. And next one, mass values. Mass values in kgs given here, kgs. But you can convert kgs into meter, grams also. Next one, mass value in AMU. AMU means I already explained both concepts. Atomic mass unit. Okay, first one, electron. The particle is electron. What is the charge value of electron? Electron is negatively charged, so minus 1.6 into charge value minus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. C means coulombs. And another way we can express that is minus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU. ESU means electrostatic unit. Electrostatic unit. Okay. And mass value is 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. We can convert this value into grams, means 1 kg equal to how many grams? 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams means 10 to the power of 3 grams. So multiplied with 10 to the power of 3, already 10 to the power of minus 31 is present into 10 to the power of 3. So minus 30 plus 3, 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. Minus 28 grams. So this can write like this in R, 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. Okay, Nana? Right. In ESU, in AMU, 0.00054. This is in atomic mass units. Value of electron. Right? Next, second one, proton. Second one, proton. Electron and proton both are having the same charge. Same charge value. But electron carry negative charge, but proton carry positive charge. Just plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, or plus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU. Okay, Nana? Mass of mass of proton. Mass of proton is 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. We can convert this kgs into grams, means just add 10 to the power of minus, multiply 10 to the power of 3, then it is 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Minus 24 grams. Right. Next one, neutron. Actually, for neutron, charge value, there is no charge value for neutron, because neutron is a neutral particle. Neutron is a neutral particle. So we know that. Next, what about mass? That mass value is 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. Compare with proton, this is 1.672, this is 1.674. Right? Or this is 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Minus 24 grams. Okay, sir? Right. In AMU, 1.00727. This is 1.00867. 867. Okay, sir? Right. So here C means completed this table. C means coulombs. ESV means wrong. ESV means electrostatic unit. Electrostatic unit. Okay, sir. So this table is very important. Next one. Now we will discuss about electron. First, who has discovered the charge of the electron? Who has discovered the charge of the electron? It is very simple. Next one about electron. Some important points in electron. Charge of the electron was discovered by Mulliken. Scientist name is Mulliken. By using oil drop experiment. By using oil drop experiment. Okay. Oil drop experiment means alpha rays or alpha particles are passing through this one. Alpha rays are passing through this one. And from the top, just pour some oil. It comes as a drop. It is fall down as a drops. If the alpha particles are touch the drop, they give some type of sparkness, and at that time this Mulliken calculated the charge of the electron. The value is nearly or equal to the minus 1.60. So simply we know that charge of electron is equal to, actually the charge value is simply write like this. Charge value is always by using this symbol E, small e. This E minus is electron. E minus means electron, but E means charge. E indicates charge, both for proton and also for electron. But charge is denoted by the symbol small e. Okay, so charge of the electron is minus 1.60 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Who has discovered this one? Mulliken, by using oil drop experiment. Okay, Nana. Next, second one. Second one. Mass of electron. We know that mass of electron value is 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. But remember all of you, this value is rest mass value. In rest position, if electron is present in the rest position, this value is rest mass value. So what about the moving electron value? We can calculate by using one formula, that is moving electron. Mass of moving electron is equal to rest mass of electron by root over 1 minus nu by c whole square. Nu by c whole square. Okay, here this nu is equal to velocity of the electron. Velocity of the electron, where is equal to velocity. Or simply it is taken as v, no problem. Velocity of electron. C is speed of light. Speed of light. Okay, Nana? So, mass of moving electron is equal to the rest mass of electron by root over 1 minus v by c whole square. Okay, if speed of the electron is increases, speed of the electron value increases, so this v value is increased. V value means the torque value is increased. Torque value is increased means 1 minus means negative value will come. Negative value will come. So negative value means root over, that is also negative value expected. So overall mass value is decreases. Overall mass value is decreases. Okay, sir. This is about mass of the electron. Right? Next one. Third one about electron, that is E by M value. E means charge. M is mass. E by M means charge to mass ratio. And another name is also there, that is specific charge. Right? Third point for electron, that is E by M value. E by M value is nothing but charge to mass ratio. Charge to mass ratio or specific charge Okay, Nana? Right. Now, how can we calculate E by M value? We know that directly what is the E value of electron and the M value of the electron. So what is the E value? Minus 1.60 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. By what is the M value of electron? 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. Okay, sir, this is equal to, if this 10 to the power of minus 31 value move the numerator, plus 31. So plus 31 minus 19. Plus 31 minus 19 means, that is 10 to the power of 12 by 9.01 coulomb per kg. Coulomb by kg or coulomb per kg. Now, for our convenience, give one pen for this value, minus 1.6, it becomes 16 into 10 to the power of 11 by 9.01. So 16 by 9 approximately. 16 by 9 means just we calculate here. 9 ones are 9, 7 will come 0.0, 9 sevens are 63, again 7, so 1.77 something. So this value is, accurate value is minus 1.758 into 10 to the power of 11 coulomb by kg. Also I'll write like this, these units are coulomb per kg, both are same. C by kg, or C, that kg moved to the numerator position, kg power minus 1. C into kg power minus 1. Okay, Nana? Right. So this is, just remember, no need to calculate all these steps. Directly just remember this value. Minus, what is the E by M value of charge to mass ratio or specific charge of electron value is minus 1.75. Enough, first two decimals. Minus 1.75 into 10 to the power of 11 coulombs per kg. But if we convert this value into grams, 1 kg means 1000 grams. The 1000 means 10 cube. 10 cube moved to the numerator means that is 10 to the power of minus 3. Minus 3 means 8 total. So minus 1.75 into 10 to the power of 8 coulomb per gram, or C gram inverse. C gram inverse. Okay, this is the charge to mass ratio or specific charge value of electron. Next one. Relation between mass of electron and mass of, just directly remember these two values only. These two values only, right? Next one. Relation between, think fourth point is relation between B by W means this is between, shortcut. Relation between mass of electron and mass of hydrogen. And mass of hydrogen. Okay, Nana? Right. Now, we know that mass of hydrogen value, mass of hydrogen is equal to 1.008 AMU. 1.008 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit, we know that. But one atomic mass unit is 1.66 into 1.008 into 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. This is one atomic mass unit value. Now multiplying these two, we got 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Because this value is approximately 1.008 means 1. Okay, this is the mass of hydrogen value. This is the mass of hydrogen value. But we know that mass of electron value in grams. Mass of electron value in grams, that is 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. Minus 31 in kgs. So in grams 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. Now take the ratio between these two. Ratio between these two. Mass of hydrogen by mass of hydrogen atom by mass of electron. Mass of electron. This is equal to mass of hydrogen value is 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 by mass of electron value is 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 28. Okay, this value is equal to 1837. 1837. This is the value. 1.67 by 9.01 value is actually this is 0.1837 into this 10 to the power of minus 28 move to up 10 to the power of plus 28. Minus 24 plus 28 is 10 to the power of 4. So multiply with this one 0.1837 multiplied with 10 to the power of 4, it gives 1837. 1837. Okay, Nana? Right. So simply this one is right like this. Mass of electron, this one move to this side. So mass of hydrogen is equal to 1837. This one move to that side into mass of electron. Mass of electron. So if we want the mass of hydrogen value, that mass of electron value multiplied 1837 times. The mass of electron value multiplied with 1837 times, then it gives the mass of hydrogen. It gives the mass of hydrogen. Okay. This one write in another way. Mass of electron is equal to this one move to this side. So mass of electron is equal to this 1837 move to this side means that is 1 by 1837 into mass of hydrogen. Mass of hydrogen. So in mass of total mass of the hydrogen, take the total mass of the hydrogen, that is divided into 1837 parts. Divided into 1837 parts. In that 1837 parts, take only one part. That one part of hydrogen in 1837 parts is equal to the mass of the electron. Mass of the electron. Okay, this is about the total electron information. Important points about electron. So here just remember these two. Directly remember these two relations only. Enough. This one and this one. Remaining part is only for explanation purpose I given. But just remember these two relations only. Right? Next one. I already explained that E by M value right there in E by M, that a charge to mass ratio or specific charge, that E by M value is finally given, fine value is given there, but that write down after that one, after value, E by M value is same for all gases. E by M value is same for all gases because electron is independent on the nature of the gas. Means it does not depend upon the nature of the gas. Are you understand? So it is very clear, Nana. E by M value is same for all gases because electrons are present outside the nucleus. In any matter or in any substance or any element, in any molecule, electrons are present always outside the nucleus. So outside the nucleus means no problem. That is same for all the gases, right? So the electron complete explanation part is over. Right? What is today? We discussed first one, table. In the table, electron, proton, neutron. First one, charge values. Charge values of electron and proton both are same, but electron carries negative charge, so that's why we write directly negative charge, minus 1.60 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. But for proton carry positive charge, so we write only positive charge, that is plus 1.60 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Clear? But next one, mass values, most important. Third one, for neutron there is no charge value, so that is 0. For the mass values of electron, proton and neutron, first electron 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. We can convert that kgs into grams also. Next, proton 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. Next, neutron 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. So comparing these three, which particle shows highest mass? That is neutron. That is neutron. Because electron 9.01 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. Proton 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. Neutron 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. So if this value minus charge is there now, the value move to the denominator position. This is by 10 to the power of 31. This is also by 10 to the power of 27. This is also by 10 to the power of 27. Okay, so this value is a huge value. 10 to the power of 31 means after 1 we can write 31 zeros. 31 zeros. Very big value. But when comparing this one, this is small, this is also small. Now check the numerator. So this is very small value. This is very small value. Next, comparing these two, this one denominator value is higher than this one. This is 1.672. This is 1.674. That's why among these three, neutron has highest mass. Next one, proton. Last one is electron. Just remember. Okay, Nana. So this is the order of masses of fundamental particles. Okay. So I will explain to you. Neutron having mass, but there is no charge because neutrons are present in the nucleus and they are support to the proton. They are support to the proton, right? So this is about today class, that is electron, complete explanation about the electron. Who discovered the charge of the electron and how can we calculate the mass, and what about the moving mass of the moving electron. Next one, E by M value, that is mass charge to mass ratio or specific charge. Last one, relation between mass of electron and mass of hydrogen. Okay, thank you very much.